Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by committing. Name the new version of yourself and set a realistic timeline so you can measure progress. Next, do a quick audit of current habits, strengths, and 3 limiting beliefs you want gone. This gives you a roadmap. Once done, choose one visible habit to replace immediately and block 10-20-minute practice slots daily. Make sure to record short notes after each session so you can adjust frequency and intensity based on what actually works. Now build systems that carry you forward. Tie micro-routines to existing cues like waking, lunch, and bedtime so repetition happens automatically. Use habit stacking and an accountability partner to sustain momentum. Weekly reflection sessions let you rewire weak spots. Also break skills into progressive drills and apply the 80/20 rule. Focus on the small moves that give most results. Once habits run on systems, you free willpower for creativity. Finish by cementing the change. Publicly state your new identity and embed small rituals and rewards to signal progress to yourself and others. Measure outcomes monthly, then prune activities that give little return so your energy goes to what matters. If you hit a stall, audit where friction arises, time, environment, or expectations, and reduce scope immediately. Then restart with one tiny, guaranteed win to rebuild momentum. This cycle of commit, systemize, and adjust is how you make a new self last.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.